Hey, what's up guys? It's Lindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my boyfriend Daywalker here with me and we're gonna do a little vlog slash smoke sesh out at the park in Nashville because we haven't gone out walking anywhere since we moved here.
Nowhere.
Yeah. And in Arkansas we had options everywhere to like go climb a mountain 30 minutes away, so we're gonna go check out what Nashville has to offer.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's just go.
Let's just get out of here.
Go.
Time for refreshments. By the way, if anybody's curious, I have a zombie response team car. I'll show it better later. It's pretty great. Yes, I still drink Coke because I'm an unhealthy fuck. This is my zombie response team car. It's been on there for years, so some of it's kind of peeling off. Fueled by mushrooms. And then I've got all my vegan stickers and stuff. Gotta be careful not to show my license plate in this bitch. I designed a few of these stickers and so we made it. Such a pretty day outside. The only thing that sucks about this is that we're like right next to a road right now, so not super peaceful city life. Well, I can't tell you how happy I am that it's finally somewhat warm outside. This is a really pretty park. Not as mountainous as we're used to, but you know. Now, if only we could find a secluded spot away from people so we can smoke a ganja. Yeah, it was not cold enough for a jacket, but I needed the pockets. This is why I hate winter. We don't do anything outside, and then when the weather finally warms up and we do, I feel like I am dying. Finally found a spot where there aren't just a whole lot of people.
They still walk by.
Yeah, it's like there's another trail 20 feet right over there, but good enough. We're gonna toke it up in nature.
And there's planes flying overhead because we're near the airport.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. I'm gonna discuss how much I miss Arkansas. Yeah, we've only lived here a little over 2 months, so we haven't done a whole lot. We moved here in the winter, but Arkansas is still badass.
Sun's coming out.
Yes.
It's getting warmer.
Finally.
Find new stuff to do on the weekends.
Yeah.
about an hour and a half away. It's supposed to be all the good stuff to go do. Waterfalls, good trails.
Smoky Mountains.
Chattanooga.
Gatlinburg. Oh, we're doing a lot of planning for going to Chiang Mai in Thailand next year.
Planning, research,
saving. Saving is the main part, obviously. We haven't even gotten our passports yet, but hopefully we're gonna get that done before, like, within the next 6 months or something. So we can be ready.
Lots of stuff to do.
Yeah, lots of stuff to do.
It'll be a year from now before we go.
Yep.
Should we do it? I mean, it's 100 degrees right now at night.
I'm cool with warm weather all the time. I don't care if
one
it's
thing,
hot.
but it's extremely humid.
I want to learn some of the basic words and stuff. Like, I know a few. Sawadika.
I don't know any. I know why and what.
No. Kapkunka. You gotta say krub and I gotta say ka.
Every time?
It's polite.
Oh yeah, I saw that. It's K-R-A-P. Pronounce that.
Like krup.
Krup?
Like krup.
Krup. I say it in the sentence.
Yeah, like when I
I'm a
say,
man.
yeah, like when you say hello, you'll say krup at the end to make it sound better. So it'll be like, Sawadi krup. And I say Sawadika.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sawadi krup.
Yeah. I don't know. And with the going to Thailand thing, we obviously know there's a lot of bad elephant treatment in the tourism industry and things like that.
Won't be riding any.
Yeah, definitely not riding any at all. And we've heard some contradicting information with certain places that are supposed to be elephant sanctuaries, but they still let you ride them, or they're like in controlled environments. I heard of one called the Elephant Nature Park, and it sounds completely ethical. So if anybody knows about that for sure, drop a comment down below and let me know, because we obviously don't want to support anything bad.
Right.
And also, I'm curious just to know people's opinions of, like, when you're in places like Thailand or Indonesia, when it comes to monkey forests, since the monkeys are kind of wild, but they stay around to get food from tourists. Like, what is your opinion on whether or not that's ethical? So what do you think about that?
I don't think it's really controlled. I mean, it's like pigeons in the park for them, I suppose. You know, you don't stop people from feeding breadcrumbs to pigeons.
Yeah, I
but
guess.
the pigeons don't steal your shit.
Yeah, I get what you mean. I don't know. It just feels like it's something that I would kind of want to do. Maybe I'd be scared, but at the same time, like, some of them you even have to pay money to get into, even though it's just like. So I mean, what are they?
Well, I mean,
benefiting off wild monkeys? I don't know. It just
they're
feels
benefiting
weird.
off the whole. They gotta keep up the trail and all that other stuff. So I can see them charging money, but I think it's just a matter of health for the monkeys that would be the drawback, because you don't know what people are giving them, you know, unless they got some sort of special monkey food dispensary there with that.
Yeah,
valve.
they don't, and they'll steal your stuff. And I've seen videos where, like, they're peeling apart aluminum cans and, like, plastic bottles. So, I mean, that's not really good for them.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know either.
It's their culture, I would like to say, in defense, but also, not everybody is aware. Like orangutan fur.
Oh yeah, and I also wanted to mention, like, we did the Q&A last time, and a lot of people seem to like that. So if you have any other things that you want to see from us as a couple, or like questions that you want to know, you can comment on my Instagram or message me on Instagram.
We may not answer all of them.
Huh?
We may not answer all of them.
Why not?
Weird people out there that ask weird questions.
Yeah, true. We ain't about to, like, be all talking about our sex and stuff like that, all weird personal. Oh, like...
I was talking about favorite colors and whatnot.
Yeah. Well, guys, I think we're gonna go check out another park. We're gonna finish smoking here and walk back down. And, maybe go see if we can find another, maybe quieter park.
Yeah, one
not so
without
close to the
flames
airport.
overhead.
For real.
Not too serene.
Yeah, maybe with a little less people too, hopefully. Park number 2. It is flooded. Well, that trail was flooded, so we're gonna try another one. I really like going out to parks and like hiking and everything. I just hate when there's a lot of people. I know it sounds weird because we're people here doing the same thing, but I just hate when people are all loud and stuff and you just want to enjoy nature. Yeah, quietly enjoy nature.
Not
like
making videos in the woods, talking quietly to yourself.
Well, no, there's like nobody around right now. I just mean people like playing music and like blasting it real loud and just screaming and yelling. Two little old ladies just saw us taking pictures of like moss and stuff, and they were like, "What did you find?" They were like, "Oh, nothing, just taking pictures of moss." I see you back there.
I'm always behind you, leading the way.
I walk faster.
There you go.
Yes, I do.
How come I'm always like, come on, hurry up?
Because I stopped to take pictures and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I think we're kind of spoiled having awesome parks everywhere in Arkansas, so we had choices. Yeah, we had choices constantly, and here it's just kind of like city parks with lots of people. Not really our style,
I'm not
but
even tired yet. Usually he's gone way up somewhere.
yeah, we would have
Using
climbed Pinnacle
hands
Mountain.
And climbing on rocks, falling down, breaking your pinky.
Yeah, he had on some tab-eye boots, which have like spikes on the bottom. And when he fell down Pinnacle Mountain, sparks came off of his shoes on the rock, and it was so scary, but I couldn't help but laugh at that. Well, alright guys, that is going to be it for today's vlog / little smoke sesh, if it even counts as that. But I think we're done for the day. Both parks sucked, so...
This one may have been cool, but it was flooded, so we couldn't walk around the lake.
Yeah, it's been like raining really hard the past couple of days, so everything's pretty much flooded. So we didn't really pick a great time to do it.
But it was the first sunny day.
Yeah.
First warm sunny day, and we needed to do something to get out of the house.
For sure. And hopefully one of these upcoming weekends, if you drive like an hour outside of Nashville, there's some really pretty places with like waterfalls and mountains and stuff. So we plan on checking out some of those soon.
Very soon.
Yep. Yeah, it's been like raining really hard the past couple of days, so everything's pretty much flooded. So we didn't really pick a great time to do it.
But it was the first sunny day.
Yeah.
First warm sunny day, and we needed to do something to get out of the house.
For sure. And hopefully one of these upcoming weekends, if you drive like an hour outside of Nashville, there's some really pretty places with like waterfalls and mountains and stuff. So we plan on... Well, alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I post new videos 3 times a week, every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And I will see you guys tomorrow on my next video. Bye!
Bye! Have a good time.
Bye!